Monday to Sunday, we don't get no sleep. You so fine, so sexy, and you love to freak all week. Monday to Sunday, I'ma do you right. So baby, let's get down, let me turn you out, turn you out.
It's Monday today, and I just got paid. 8 a.m. in the morning, and I just got laid. Silky, soft, satin, sex is bliss. A little foreplay, a little touchy kiss.
Nights and Tuesday, I know you wanna play. Live out your fantasy, yeah, and that's okay. Yeah, around me, you ain't gotta be nervous. Bring your fine ass over here and serve the purpose.
Wednesday is the day I play. Nurse and patient, baby, to the end of the day. Tie me to the bed and do whatever you please. If you're naughty, girl, I'ma bend you over my knees.
Hello?
I got a real pretty lady on the phone, telling me that she's all alone from Monday till Sunday. I got a real pretty lady feeling overlooked, cause I had to tell her I was 40 booked from Monday till Sunday.
Yo, shorty, it's a Thursday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. Yeah, baby, I see your panties drop. I love how you say my name when I hit your spot.
Thank God it's Friday and my girl wanna swing.
I'm a people that like classes to get up in your G-thing.
Come on, girl, you know you want more. I'm a big man creeping with my 4x4.
It's a Saturday, it's a holiday. It's time for me and you just to get away. Aye. Now we chillin' on Sunday, cause only